How do magnets open electronic safes? Well, here's a solenoid. Right now it's sitting on a magnet. This little flipper normally is locked in place unless the keypad gives it a signal and some voltage to close. That lets the safe open. That locks the safe. There's an opening. Normally, that little piece of metal gets in the way of this and jams it up. What's going on here is instead of getting the signal from the circuit board, since we have it laying on a big magnet, this little piece is back because if you look, the pin that normally sticks out there is pulled in from the magnet. If we release the magnet, see the pin? That's what locks this little wafer. It goes into that square hole, keeps this from sliding and wedging into the way of the flipper. There, I just opened it again. Closed it, opened it. Closed it. Pushing, opened it. That's how easy it is to defeat pretty much any safe that has a keypad or fingerprint reader. Just rub a magnet on the outside. Of course, it's going to have to be a pretty scary strong magnet.